Okay, everyone, for this combo series, it's 3 combinations. Each one is building off a jab cross hook, and we're adding different targets, okay? So for the first combo, jab, cross, hook, standard up top. For the next combo, jab high, cross low, lead hook high, okay? That's combo 2. Combo 3, jab, cross, body hook, okay? Again, let's repeat it. Standard, combo 1, jab, cross, hook up top. Combo 2, jab, low cross, high hook. Combo 3, jab, cross, body hook. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And I'll probably practice like each one 5 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So combo 1, 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, combo 2, 5 times. Jab, low cross, high hook. Jab, cross, hook. Try to change levels. Jab high, cross low, hook high. 1 low 2, high 3. Good. Combo 3. 1, 2 up top, body 3. Jab cross, body hook. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. And now you can mix it up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Combo 1. 1, 2, 3. Combo 2. 1 low 2 high 3. Combo 3. 1, 2 body 3. Time. For this combination, we're gonna throw jab, cross, lead hook, roll with it, hook. Or you can snap it back and then duck under, come back with the hook. Both are gonna be great. Ready? Let's go. Jab, cross, hook, under, hook. I'm rolling out and ducking under to my hook side, okay? My 3 side. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. Jab, cross, hook, under, hook. Jab, cross, hook, under, hook. Jab, cross, hook, under, hook. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. Jab, cross, hook, under, hook. 20 seconds. Up, 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 up. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, under, 3. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, cross, lead hook, and then we're going to use this hook to slip back, okay? Come back with the hook. I'm doing a little shuffle step here after. You can try it. Otherwise, you can just step and hook, okay? I'm just trying to gain momentum and an angle for my punch. 1, 2, 3, slip, 3. Jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. Jab, cross, hook, slip, lead hook. Okay, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, slip, 3. Jab, cross, lead hook, slip, lead hook. 1, 2, 3, slip, 3. One, two, three, slip, 3. Jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. Jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. One, two, 3. Slip, 3. Keep going. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, cross, lead hook, cross. When your cross comes back, it's going to act as a block. And then we're going to come back with this hook, okay? 1, 2, 3, 2, block and hook. 1, 2, 3, 2, block and hook. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2, block, lead hook. Jab, cross, hook, cross, 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 block, lead hook. 1, 2, 3, 2, block, 3. 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 Jab, cross, hook, cross, block, hook. Jab, cross, hook, cross, block, hook. Time. Okay, so for this combination, it's going to be a bit longer. It's going to be a bit more advanced, but I think you guys can keep up. So from here, we're going to throw jab, cross, hook, slip, body hook, or body 3, okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2, okay? Now I'm going to repeat that again. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. After this 2, I want us to roll under like we practiced in our last video. 2, 3, 2. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll under, 2, 3, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll under, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll under, 2, 3, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll under, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll under, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, slip, body hook, high hook, cross, roll under, cross, hook, cross. One, two, three, slip, body 3, high 3, 2. Roll, 2, 3, 2. Counter. 1, 2, 3, slip, body 3, high 3, 2, slip, 2, 3, 2, or roll. My bad. 1, 2, 3, body 3, high 3, 2, under, 2, 3, 2. Time. All right, everyone, that's going to be it for today's heavy bag workout. Thank you for joining me. I hope you had fun, and hopefully you learned something today. And make sure to keep practicing. If you found today's combos fun and helpful, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. I really do. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subs. Help me out. Share this video with a friend. And I'm going to keep making more. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Have a good day.